This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, April 27th. In the stock index futures, we were higher in the overnight trade. In fact, the S&P did advance to a new record high before some profit taking coming into this market, taking it a bit lower on the day. Also, we had some mixed economic numbers. We did have the Consumer Confidence Index coming in a little bit stronger than expected, while the Richmond Federal Reserve Manufacturing Index came in on the weaker side. I would not be surprised to see it move back to higher on the day in the indices. Also, overall, stock index futures appear to be performing well for the news. In the currency markets, the dollar index a little bit higher, but remains close to two-month lows as Treasury yields are mostly below recent peaks, so that tending to undermine the US dollar. Also, we had the Bank of Japan in their policy meeting today, keeping rates unchanged as expected, with their key rate at a negative 10 basis points. In the interest rate futures markets, we do have the Fed meeting this week. In fact, today is the first day of a two-day policy meeting, and we will get a statement from the Fed tomorrow afternoon. The Fed most likely will keep policies unchanged, with the Fed funds rate likely to stay at 0 to 25 basis points. So the statement will have possibly some impact that I think is where most traders will be looking towards. I do believe that the global economy is growing, of course, as is the consensus view, but I believe that it may not be growing quite as fast as most analysts are anticipating. And I think that will be supportive to futures, especially at the short end of the curve in the interest rate futures markets. And if I'm right in that thinking, that central banks will keep their rates lower for longer, that remains supportive to gold and silver, and I think those markets will continue to advance. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.